By the end of this video, I promise you'll know beauty hacks that can actually change the way you look without using any makeup. It's 100% possible, and these are secrets that no one really knows about. If you don't like wearing makeup, or you don't like the feeling of wearing makeup, if you're about to go on vacation and want a simple routine, or when you just want to feel naturally pretty and effortless in your own skin, this is the perfect video for you. I swear by this routine that this will make you feel so confident, radiant, and super put together. Okay, before everything, a shower instantly makes me feel and look so much better. Personally, I love showering at night because by the next morning my hair is soft, more tamed, and honestly, second day hair is always my best hair day. Now, this next tip is super important and not talked about enough. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up will help depuff your face and will hydrate your skin, which instantly makes you look fresher and more awake. So I know this is common sense, but oral hygiene is such a game changer for looking fresh. Make sure to brush and floss and don't skip using a tongue scraper. Now this is key because scraping your tongue makes your breath fresher. And if you want an extra boost, using whitening strips will make your smile look brighter and more polished because a wider smile shows good oral hygiene. Next is hair removal. Shaving your face can have a lot of benefits. Just make sure to apply a pre-shave oil. I like to use jojoba oil, or any oil really works that you have on hand. The oil is key because it helps the razor glide smoothly, it protects your skin, and prevents irritation. Now, shaving is beneficial because it instantly smooths the skin, removes peach fuzz, and lightly exfoliates the skin, which makes skincare absorb better. Plus, it helps your skin reflect light more evenly, so your skin looks softer, brighter, and naturally glowy. Now, brows are really everything. They frame your entire face, so do not neglect your brows. They are the expressions of our face. So just make sure to groom them, whether that's trimming, tweezing, or simply brushing them up. Instantly makes you look more polished and put together without any makeup required. Now I'll brush a little Aquaphor through my brows with a spoolie. It keeps them in place, and the Aquaphor is a great substitute for brow gel. Then I'll use a few drops of Visine to make my eyes look brighter, less red, and more awake. And yes, I think half the bottle ended up on my face before I actually got a couple drops in my eyes. Now I promise that this next tip is a total game changer. Since we're not going to use any foundation or concealer to hide dark circles or redness, we're going to use ice. Now hear me out, ice helps shrink those blood vessels, which instantly reduces the puffiness and appearance of dark circles. It also calms redness and inflammation, so I'll use it around any redness which I have around my nose. Green tea bags are another great beauty hack. The caffeine helps boost circulation and the antioxidants reduce dark circles, so your eyes look so much brighter, which is obviously the goal here. Now it's time for skincare. You can use whatever routine works best for you, but the key is to focus on moisturizing and hydrating products that give your skin a radiant glow. I like to start with a face mask. It leaves my skin fresh and luminous for the entire day. Then I go in with Glow Recipes toner, which gives such a dewy finish. After that, I use this tinted serum by Derma E that contains turmeric. The turmeric adds a hint of warmth to my skin, making it look more alive and less dull. And then of course, I'll use a moisturizer, this one by Kiehl's, to lock everything in, and to finish off with this calming facial spray by Tower 28. This is great for reducing the appearance of redness and blemishes. And finally, sunscreen. It not only protects your skin, but also evens out your complexion and keeps it looking bright and smooth. This one by Glow Recipe is my favorite sunscreen ever. It smells amazing, leaves no white cast, and gives the prettiest glow. Now I promise you guys that this next tip is going to change your lives. I'm not trying to be dramatic, but I swear it's going to change the way you view makeup, and it's going to just change your routine. And the crazy part is that no one really knows about this beauty hack. Since we're not going to use any mascara, the best alternative is curling your lashes and applying Aquaphor. This will make your eyes look so much bigger and more awake. And be sure to clump your lashes together to make them appear darker and thicker with that Aquaphor. The best part about this beauty secret is that this will actually condition your lashes at the same time, so they will stay healthy and strong. Next is using a gua sha for instant structure. Gua shas immediately reduce puffiness, defines the jawline, and lifts the cheeks. I guess this is kind of a substitute for contour because it will sculpt your face immediately. For lips, I use a microdermabrasion scrub by Derma E. You can use any exfoliator. You could also use a toothbrush to exfoliate your lips. This will instantly bring back natural color and make them look so fresh and soft. The exfoliation also gives a little plumping effect. Then I follow with a lip plumper or a gloss, which adds even more color and fullness. So this will make your lips look more red and plump without using any lipstick. And before the makeup police starts commenting, "Oh, you're cheating, that's makeup," technically a clear plumper or gloss isn't really makeup. It falls under the same category as lip balm since it's hydrating and enhances what's already there. But it's okay, I get it. If you feel guilty and you don't want to use a lip plumper or lip gloss, then applying Aquaphor can give a very similar effect. Now for your cheeks, I know this is going to sound crazy, but instead of using blush, I'll just massage, squeeze, and lightly tap on my cheeks to bring back some natural color. But if you don't want to do that, for a longer lasting blushed look, I use Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide? Is that how you say it? Niacinamide Dewy Flush on my cheeks and nose. Again, this is technically not makeup, it's skincare. It has hydrating ingredients that can actually improve your skin over time while giving you that healthy, rosy glow. So it feels more like a treatment that brightens and evens your complexion rather than a blush that just sits on top. You could also use this on the lips for even more color. Next tip is I'll use a little Aquaphor and I'll dab it on the high points of my cheeks. It works like a natural highlighter, catching the light and giving that dewy, glass skin glow. So I swear this is a great alternative to an illuminator or highlighter. Next tip is I'll change into a more flattering top and neckline. Personally, I've discovered that tube tops accentuate my collarbones and gives a really clean, feminine look. And then color theory is also really important when it comes to looking fresh without makeup. I've noticed that when I wear black, the harsh contrast can make my dark features stand out even more. So like my under eyes, which sometimes leaves me looking a bit washed out. But when I wear lighter colors like white, it reflects more light onto my face and helps my skin look brighter, more even, and just naturally warm and tan. When you find the color that works for your complexion, they act almost like a filter, instantly making your skin look healthier and more radiant without using makeup. In my humble opinion, I honestly think that hair is more important than your makeup, and when it looks good, you just look super polished and put together. I mean, honestly, think about it. If you have a good outfit on and your hair is done, then you don't really need to do anything else. Now, I prefer straightening my hair. This will instantly give that sleek, put together look. The heat from the iron tames the frizz and smooths everything down, so my hair looks sleeker and more polished. I will always finish with the hair oil for extra shine and to keep it looking healthy. Don't forget your body care. Applying lotion to your arms, neck, and chest makes your skin look healthy and smooth. It's a small step, but hydrated skin really elevates your whole appearance and makes you look more polished overall. Smelling good is just as important as looking good. I always start off with deodorant, and a little trick I love is applying Aquaphor on the pulse points of my skin before perfume. It helps the scent last so much longer. And then I'll spray my favorite perfume behind my neck so that people smell me when I walk past them, on my wrists, neck, and behind the ears. It's such a small detail, but smelling good instantly makes you more attractive. I swear, just by adding some jewelry will enhance your look and make you look so good. But make sure you do this after applying perfume because perfume contains alcohol and chemicals that can damage or tarnish your jewelry. The most important tip isn't a product, it's your energy. Smiling, eye contact, and confidence are what people really notice. You can do every step in this routine, but if your energy is dull, it won't matter. A smile instantly makes you look more approachable, attractive, and alive. Pair with good energy and kindness, and you'll always be magnetic without any makeup required. Also, if you really struggle with dark circles or acne, then you could use tinted sunscreen for those under eyes or on top of blemishes or just to even your skin tone. This doesn't really count as makeup, it counts as skincare, and even better, it protects your skin. Pimple patches also help to conceal acne, so you could apply these before applying the tinted sunscreen. So remember, you don't need makeup to look beautiful. These are just little details that enhance what's already there, and the energy you bring makes all the difference. I hope this video inspired you to feel more confident in your own skin. If you want to see more beauty hack videos like this one, be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.